Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'll be showing you how to remove page numbers from the first page of a document. So let's say for example you don't want page number to appear in your title page, the title page of your document. To do that is very easy. Okay, but before I get started, let me just insert page numbers first on this particular document. So you come to the insert tab, then you click on page number, then you click on wherever you want the number to appear. So for example, let me select this. Okay, now as you can see, this is the first page. How to remove page numbers from the first page. This is number one showing, and page one is showing in the first page, and we do not want it to show. Okay, so the first step, as I've already highlighted here, is for you to double click on the header or footer area to open the page number. As for this particular document, we have it. We have the numbers, the page numbers on the footer area. Okay, so the second step. Okay, let's do that first. I've double tapped the footer area. Okay, so the second step is to check the box that says different first page and the header and footer to start. So from here you can see header and footer. Right now you can see this particular option here, different first page. So all you need to do is to check it. Yeah, so as you can see, now double tap your documents back. Now let's go and check. Now you can see page one, number one, or page one is no longer showing on the first page. You can see it's no longer showing. So that is how to remove page number from the first page of your document. All right, it is very simple, and it is something you can easily do by yourself, just as I've already shown you. So that is it on today's video. I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.